Hello there! Welcome to Ukulele Mama. My name is Maureen and today's tutorial is about Jamaica Farewell. Why did I choose Jamaica Farewell? Well, because I like the song and also it lifts my spirit to imagine myself in someplace nice and warm and sunny. Jamaica Farewell is in the key of C. It has 3 chords, C, F, and G. Let's get to it. So the chords in Jamaica Farewell are pretty simple. C, F, G. And the nice thing about these chords and this song is that repeats itself over and over. This transition from C to F to G to C. So when you're really comfortable making that transition, this song is a piece of cake. Let's put the verse and chorus together. Down the way when the nights are gay and the sun shines daily on a mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. That's it. And the same thing for the chorus. Well, I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. Well, my heart is down, my head is turning around. Leave a little girl in Kingston town. When you play this, you might want to add a little kind of calypso beat feel to it, so it sounds like this. Down the way when the nights are gay, the sun shines daily on a mountain top. I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. Sad to say, I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. Well, my heart is down, my head is turning around. Leave a little girl in Kingston town. So practice, 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 and it will become easier and easier and more fun. Let's go now to check out the play along when you're ready. Let's imagine that we're on our way to Jamaica. Down the way when the nights are gay, the sun shines daily on the mountain top. I took a trip on a sailing ship. I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. Well, I'm sad to say it, folks. I hope you enjoyed your little imaginary trip to Jamaica. Time for me to say farewell. But please remember to press the button to subscribe, to press thumbs up, to give me comment or a question. I appreciate your watching, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye for now.